robot.
Yes.
What are we going to do with the robot?
Well, Astro, follow me.
Hi, Grandma. I miss you.
I miss you too. Hey, you got the toy I sent.
Yeah, I love it. Astro, follow me.
Cool. All right, race ya.
Come on.
Told you I turned it off.
And now I totally believe you. Ooh, yikes.
Message from Steve. Remember to eat something green today, Dad.
Check.
Hey, Barbie. Just returned the dogs.
Astro, let's dance.
Thought we weren't home, huh? You thought wrong. It's a good try, though.
What? Thank you. All right, I'm in.